Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to activate your OnePay card. First, open the OnePay app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in the app, look at the bottom menu and tap on the Wallet section. This section shows all the cards linked to your account. Find the card you want to activate. Tap on that card to select it. After tapping on your card, you will see a small menu or options right above the card. Look for the option labeled Details and tap on it. This will open the full card information page. On this page, you should see the Activate Card option. Tap on Activate Card. The app will now ask you to enter a 4-digit PIN. This is a security step to confirm that you are the owner of the card. Enter your PIN carefully. Once the PIN is entered and confirmed, your OnePay card will be activated. You can now use it for payments, online transactions, and ATM withdrawals. Make sure the card is signed on the back and that you have remembered your PIN. Thanks for watching.